Hello. What can I get you?
Hi, do you have a menu?
Everything we have is on the board. We have soup, sandwiches, samosas, omelets, hot dogs, pasta.
Have you got any bagels?
Yes, we have.
What fillings do you have?
We have salt beef, mustard and pickles, chicken and mayo.
I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat.
Okay. Salmon and cream cheese, tuna and...
Or fish. Can I have a cream cheese and cucumber bagel?
One cream cheese and cucumber bagel coming right up. Would you like anything else? Maybe some soup or a salad?
Yes, a salad, please.
Would you like a small, medium, or large portion?
Just a small portion, thanks. I'm not very hungry.
Okay. And to drink?
Can I have a lemonade, please?
Sure. Eat in or take out?
Eat in, please.
Take a seat. It'll be ready in a minute.